So today we'll have a first. It's the first time that I will have opened a parcel on camera. So as you can see, I've hidden all the details, and I've been dying to get this open all night. I've just had to wait until the opportunity was there. That's great. I'm just going to dig right in. Let's see. And it would help if my knife wasn't so blunt. Well, I definitely can't say that it's not being properly packaged, because there's no way that was getting opened. Let's see. Oh, I see goodies already. I know, I'll cut the side off it here, and we'll get in this way. In fact, I won't. I tell you why I won't, because I might then be able to use this box after if I just make a lid. Sorry, I can see the camera. Oh, look at that. I can see that the camera's shaking away there while I'm doing this, but you're just gonna have to bear with it. In fact, what I'll do for you is I'll maybe fast forward this up. Yeah, there we go. Box is open. I imagine now, actually, if I probably had given that a pull, I think the other part of it's tucked in there. Well, nonetheless, glad you see what I can see. So some rather unusual packaging. Let's see. Well, to be honest, I don't think that's going to fit me. Just set that there. So some keys. How to keep that wrapped up. See what I can do. So first we have tri-circle. Let me just, in fact, you know what? Let's try and hold that up there and see if you can see better. So got an Edwards. Oh, it's an interesting keyway. It's definitely not a pin tumbler. I had to check that one out. Weatherproof. That is a pin tumbler. Let's see. Home protector. Safe and secure shutter lock. Good job. I like shutter locks. Oh, this. Not quite sure what these are. I think I'm gonna have a guess and say that. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna have a guess and say they're wafer locks. But again, that's just a guess. So in fact, I'll set 1, 2, 3. Set some of those out of the way. There we go. There's another one, and I think. Nah, I'm not sure what I can see in there. I'll have to investigate that. I think these are all wafer locks, to be quite honest with you, but we'll see. We'll see. A wee mini one. Another. There's a Euro cylinder. It's a Yale. It's a Yale. So another one of these here. laminated padlocks, tri-circle. Oh, combination lock with no combination. Interesting. I think I know how to get into that there, so we'll give that a go later. Unbranded padlock, shutter lock, stainless steel, no name again. Aztec €0.5, and I showed you that earlier, the Edwards, the almost strange keyway, and Abyss. There we go. Pretty well mangled tri-circle, and let's see, strange €0.5. Oh, same brand. Another €0.5. It's full euro actually. Tri-circle and 40mm. Another one was weatherproof laminated style padlocks. Interesting. Oh, there's one hiding down there. Aztec. Or Aztec? Azek. Not sure how to pronounce that. Right, so let's see, what will I pick? Let's see if I can get tell you what, I'll go for this. Let's see if I can pick this one straight out of the box. Just putting everything back in, then I'll set this out of the way. Lift that over there. Bring the vise over. Let me see. So if I clamp that like that, you should be able to get a good view. And what will I use? So that fit there. Yep. Oh, plenty of movement in that core. And I'll take a short hook. So just go in and see how many pins there is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pins. And see if I can't get this open. So tension on the core, into the back, just Right, so the back pin there is quite high. Oh, well, look at that. It worked. It worked. So, there you go. Laminated padlock, 40mm, single pin pick straight from the box.